Hello and welcome to this GlobalBox.world tutorial. Today we'll be learning about how to navigate the vendor account. For this demo, you will need to sign into your vendor account. Once you're logged in, you will see your vendor name displayed here. Here's your vendor ID and you can visit your store from this. If you want to share your store with your social media connections, use this. Let's navigate all the options that the vendor dashboard has to offer. You can look at your store's link here and download personalized GlobalBox.world business cards. In the vendor earnings report, you will see all the recent activity, recent orders, and recent messages from customers. You can select a custom date to view refined data. The next option on the list is the notification bar. Here you can see the various notifications in detail. Notifications are generally sent for product upload, product approval, new and completed orders, and for messages by a customer. Next option on the list is the My Profile section. Here you can see the following options. If you want to edit information about your profile, click the Edit Profile button. You can edit basic account information like password, company name, and some other options. The address that you inputted while registering cannot be changed. You can request an update or connect with a GlobalBox.world vendor assistance agent. In the address book, you can see all the active addresses from where you are currently operating your business or where certain products are located. If you wish to add more addresses, use Edit and Add features. Just click on Add an address here and input the information. Update Company option lets you change the background banner of your store. You can set a new password for the financial information of your account. With the Post Product option, you can upload your products on the platform. Check out our video tutorial on how to upload a product on the GlobalBox platform. The Message Center is where you can chat with the admin, buyer, and an affiliate. Customers can directly contact you here about any questions regarding a product or their order. The GlobalBox pricing structure gives information about how premium and other features are charged. We highly recommend you to read the following once you sign up as a vendor. The delivery and shipping policy gives an in-depth information on multiple scenarios regarding order fulfillment. You can also review the GlobalBox cancellation policy here. We recommend you go through all the policies and understand how the platform works in terms of shipping, fulfillment, and cancellation. The next option on the list is the Orders section. Here you will find multiple options to choose from. You can take a look at the following: pending orders, ready for dispatch, in transit, delivered, completed, returns, and cancelled. Since this is a demo account, we don't have any transactions on this. Let's take a look at what information can you see in these pages. You can look at product name, quantity, order details, delivery address, logistic details, and some other information. All of this information makes it easier for you to dispatch your product in a faster and an efficient way. When you upload a product on the platform, it goes through a process to get approved. Under My Products, it goes through a 2-hour waiting period and then is sent for approval. Once the item is approved, it becomes a live product. All sold out products will be under the Closed Product option. If you have any suspended or deleted products, they will show up here. The Investigations tab is used for product cancellation, returns, and other investigations by the customer service team. In the My Financials, you can look at an in-depth information on the amount of revenue and total orders your business has received. My Statement is another way of looking at your financial information in various currencies with a start and end date. In the top bar, you can see messages, notifications, multiple language options. On the top right, you can look at your account information, account settings, and log out from the current session. This concludes our tutorial session on how to navigate the vendor account. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Also, make sure to check out our other tutorial videos on our YouTube channel. Thanks for joining this tutorial. Have a great week ahead.